Didn't press start yet. Hi! I'm bored, so I decided I am going to mess with Deanie some more. So, yeah. Deanie, have anything you want to say to people? Help me. This lady is crazy. Help. Please. Please. Or not. Okay. Well. Gonna mess with Deanie's Mars. So, yeah. I am outstandingly bored right now. And I just froze, didn't I? Unfreeze me! Okay. I am unfrozen. Good. Deanie. Ready? You wanna go for a walk? Come on. No. I'll paw you too. No! You get out of there. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Ew, no! Look at me. You want a meaty bone? Then get out of there. Get out of my lap. It's very uncomfortable. You want a meaty bone? 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 It's right here. You want it? That's not a meaty bone, okay? I lied to you. I'm sorry. This is my Deanie. Okay. He's huge, isn't he? He's a horse. No! Okay, I didn't mean to offend you. Did not mean to offend you. Okay? You want a meaty bone? But I am needing to torture you. Well, not that much. Just to make you sad, because you're not getting a meaty bone today. You already had one, so you don't get another. And you wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Ow! I'll paw you back! You wanna go for a walk? Sorry. No. No. Ready to go for a walk? Come on! Let's go! No. No. Come here. Let's go down here. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. No. Say hi. Hi. Deanie. No. Say hi. Hi. Well, have anything to say? Okay. Well. Okay, that made my chin look weird. I always look weird. Hi. Did you want to go for a walk? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Ow! What the heck? I'll paw you then. Come here. You want a meaty bone? Here. Want it? Nothing was. Sorry.
Oh.
I know, it's so sad. Ew. No, no. I've been kissed by a dog. Get some hot water. Get some disinfectant. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go. Love you all so much. Bye.